Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something a bit different. We're exploring Linux distributions that are super similar to Windows 10. Now I know switching from Windows can seem pretty intimidating at first, but stick with me. I promise you it's going to be a fun ride. So take a deep breath, settle in, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about Linux Mint. Now, if you're coming from Windows 10, you're going to feel right at home with Mint. The desktop layout even has that classic Windows feel, making it really intuitive for beginners. It's um, as if someone knew exactly what a former Windows user would need. Plus, once you start exploring, you'll notice that you rarely have to deal with the dreaded Linux terminal. The software manager is, well, pretty much a one stop shop with a massive repository of free software. Personally, I found Mint to be the smoothest transition. Next up is Linux Lite, and this distro is a real gem, especially for those of you with older PCs or laptops. True to its name, Linux Lite is lightweight and designed to run efficiently on less powerful devices. It's built on the XFCE desktop environment, which gives you an interface that's strikingly similar to Windows. So, if you're worried about performance or just want to revive an aging system, Linux Lite is like a breath of fresh air. It gives your old laptop a new lease on life. Finally, let's dive into Kubuntu. This one is really interesting because it's essentially Ubuntu with a twist. While Ubuntu's default desktop has a more modern, sometimes um, Mac-like feel, Kubuntu is tweaked to offer that familiar Windows experience. You'll see a start button, traditional menus, and a layout that just feels like home if you grew up with Windows. And here's the kicker. You get all the benefits of Ubuntu's extensive software center and support, which means tons of apps and updates at your fingertips. So, why consider making the switch? Well, with Windows 10 support ending soon and Windows 11, well, not always being kind to every system, especially older ones, now might be the perfect time to explore something new. Linux offers a more resource friendly experience, fewer system crashes, and a level of customizability that's hard to beat. And honestly, transitioning is easier than ever before thanks to these user friendly distros. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you, whether it's the familiar feel of Linux Mint, the lightweight efficiency of Linux Lite, or the balanced approach of Kubuntu. Each option provides a unique pathway from Windows to Linux. And for those curious about making the leap, we've got a detailed guide on installing Linux for the first time. Just check out the link in the description below. All right, that wraps up today's deep dive. I hope this video gives you the confidence to explore Linux and discover the perfect distro for your needs. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech insights. Catch you in the next video. Bye.